going quicker. And like a lot of you, we're stuck at you. I'm stuck at home. Off with this. I'm stuck at home right now. Off. More time playing off. Spending more time on my more time watching Netflix, watching off, watching Netflix, and playing video games. Now the computer I have right now is pretty but it is 6 years old, and software and technology is constantly improving, and I don't want to be left behind doing the things that I enjoy. Not to say off. Not to say that not to say into a new machine rather than the old one. Yeah, it sucks. I even have a Blu-ray drive that I don't really use, and all of this is connected by and all of the off. And all of this is off. And all of this is connected. Off. And all of this is connected by a very messy off. Now once we take this rack out, oops. The computer is actually running really good. And that's because I'm running off. Intel Core processor. We've got 16 gigs of RAM. Yeah, start over. I'm going to be storing my operating system and programs onto this 1 terabyte SSD from Crucial. Now this is an NVMe piece of This will bling as well as doubling my storage space. And yeah, I wanted to do that. So the first step of this build will be assembling the SSD, this blah. All right, we have our motherboard assembly together. Now we can put it into the case. Yup, that's what we're gonna do. Now remember, we have to remove one of the fans for the liquid. Well, for most of our custom build clients, this is the part where we pack up the computer, never to see it again. You know? Alright, so let's head back to my apartment. We'll get the new PC set up. I'll also show you how I have my home equipment wired and set up. Maybe it'll Maybe it'll inspire some ideas for your own home setup. Now, hey guys, so we have the, hey guys, welcome back. So we have the new, now this time around, there's a few changes I want to make under here. So we're going to take everything out, we'll see how things are set up, and we'll finish off.